It happens to me every year.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today is officially the first day of Vlogmas. I hope you guys are enjoying all of your favorite YouTubers content for the month. I myself probably will not be posting every single day because life, like I gotta work my, I would say 9 to 5, but it's more like a 7 to 7. But yeah, I'm gonna try to get as many videos that I can posted this month. So make sure you guys are on the lookout for those and that you have your post notifications on. Subscribe to the channel so that you can be notified. I'm gonna attempt to do at least 3 times a week, but it could be more just depending on how heavy my work is. So tonight's video is basically going to be me decorating my house for the holidays. I did not get a chance to do so before I left. So now it is, tonight is November 30th, but you're seeing this on December 1st. I hope that I get it edited. It is my hope that I can get crap done today. But yeah, it's like already about to be December, and I don't want to reach December 1st without my holiday decorations up, because if you know me, you know I like to take them down before the new year gets here. So I want to have a whole month of Christmas in the house. So that's what we're going to be doing today, and I need to shut up and do it. So here's my bag of Christmas junk that was in my closet. I have ornaments, which I believe are all in this bag, or mostly in this bag. I have a nice little, I have my stockings, which actually still have the things in them from last year. These are like the weights to keep them down. I'm not sure if I want to. It looks like nothing broke. Okay, I have a Christmas tree. I don't overdo it, so it's not really that much stuff. The tree should be enough for the eyes.
I am here, it's nice to meet you. I know you fucking with a deep man. Do about anything to please you. Come inside me, I'm a kid. Want me to make you a scene, girl. Never been that hard to breathe, girl. When we done, you say I need you. I done made you a believer. Can I stop by? See you. Can I stop by? See you. You top 5, you know you're not 5. And I fuck 3 or 2 but 1, girl. I'm high now, I wanna see the sun do. The accent sexy in the sundress. Your accent's leaking on my tongue. Yes, you back to the song, the same for my jack. I made you come and you came right back. Calling me on a late night. I got you leaking like a break pipe. Swimming in your seat just like a diver. It just creeping like a great white. And I might fuck you in your own car. Ride my face just like a porn star. It's so deep, just call it broke shot. I just want one thing out the phone call.
Pull apart the mic. It's stuck to the leg. All the way down the leg. Y'all, getting this tree fluffed out has been a whole task. Like, it's like 80% done right now, but it was looking a mess like 20 minutes ago. This light is so bright. I'm trying to brighten up my living room so that y'all can see, but it's just putting all the light on me. That's the only thing about having a flock tree. Snow's gonna get all on your clothes when you're putting it up and taking it out. Really, it doesn't drop as bad like just as it's sitting there from day to day. But it does really bad when trying to set it up. My boyfriend's dad had made this hat for me, y'all, but they didn't look at the sizes in here. This is a size medium hat, adult medium, and my head is large, especially with the wig on, so it don't fit, but it is so cute. It has my name on it, but your girl cannot get this on my head. So y'all leave me some suggestions of what I should do with this hat. Where do y'all think this could go? Because I still want to kind of like hang it somewhere. I think this is super cute, but can't fit it. So that is pretty much it. Super simple, quick, easy. Well, I'm not gonna call that easy. That wasn't easy. That was difficult. Like, fluffing that tree out is terrible because the stuff gets everywhere, but it is so worth it because I love the way this tree looks. Looks like it's been hit with a lot of snow. Love it, love it. Got this tree from Lowe's last year, and I believe it was on sale. And on top of it being on sale, it was the last tree. It was actually the display. So I think we got this tree for like, I don't know, it was cheap. It was cheaper than all the other flock trees that I was looking at that looked decent and full and was relatively tall. I have the 3 little metallic Christmas trees that you see me placing in the kitchen, and then there's one right here on my entertainment center. I have the Bath and Body Works Spiced Ginger candle. Y'all, if you like ginger, get that candle. It smells like so much like Christmas. Last year, instead of doing a gingerbread, I think I did the, I want to say it was balsam. I don't know the word, but it smelled like pine. It smelled like trees, and that was cool and all. But this year, we decided to go with something a little spicy. So we did spiced gingerbread, and that's what is on the coffee table back here. My stockings are up. I think we're good to go. I think this was, oh, my wreath. The wreath is new. My boyfriend's mom did gift that to us. She makes those actually. I don't know if she makes them for sale or she just makes them because she's very crafty, but she made that one, and it was an old one, and she was making herself a new one, so she gave that one to us, and that's why it doesn't like quite match with the things that we have in here already, but it's super gorgeous and you cannot say no to that. So it's gonna be exciting coming home and seeing that big old wreath on the door. But with that, guys, I hope you enjoyed the first video of Vlogmas. Like I said before, make sure you turn on your notifications. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'm almost at 5,000, which is kind of crazy. But yeah, make sure you do that, and I will see you guys in the next video.